Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the spa look in Dress to Impress with a new hack that I kind of thought about. I don't know if it does look like cucumbers, but I think it looks like it, so let's get started with the video. I did use I don't remember like what reward this was from, like what rank. I think top model, the robe or something. But we are just going to remove everything. So for the makeup, I did use custom makeup. I just put this kind of DIY that everybody does anyway, so I'm not going to do a tutorial on that. For the outfit, I used this dress in no corset and fur, in white, in all matte, like so. And then I used the robe here in opaque, and then in matte as well, in all white. And I made the waist a ribbon in matte. For the hair, I used this hair and only bangs in this blonde color. And I also used this updo in that same blonde color. Then I used the button eyes for the cucumbers actually. So go here and grab it. And I colored it this like color. It's, maybe I'm just gonna make it a little bit darker. It is ABB073, and then the inside part is white. Maybe I can make it a little bit more like the cucumber seeds by making it a little bit on the green side, like that maybe. And then I'm just going to use these sandals in white, and then I'm going to also use this in the second toggle, and I just scaled it down. I'm just going to move it up a little. I'm just going to color it white. And that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.